Hi, I'm Ron Burry, and we're here at ISE 2020, and we're showing off the Maevex 6020 remote recorder that is dedicated to the Panopto VMS. Unique about this product is that it has dual 1080p 60 inputs with live pass-throughs, and it will stream and record to the Panopto cloud or on-premise system for both of those inputs, and it'll do up to 7 quality recordings on device. So you don't have to transcode in the cloud, which means you get your video ready for your viewers much quicker, within minutes of a closed lecture, for instance. Additionally, and new for this show, we have RS232. We have an RS232 API that's released so that you can have easy Crestron control coded for touchscreen displays, Crestron, Extron, whatever the ecosystem that you're working with in the school. And we also have the the Panasonic CARES program enabled with Panasonic, which monitors, maintains, and presents a dashboard with communication and notification of problems, either with the camera, the Panasonic camera, or the Maevex 6020 device. So all of this available for the Panopto VMS and the 6020. Learn more at matrox.com, and thanks for watching.